To another video. So today we got a motorcycle cover from the company named Raida. So this is the package. So you can, in order to buy this product, you can check out their website. So this is a RainPro model, which is a navy blue in color. You get another color which is green as well. So for the Himalayan, the size is XL. So in order to buy for Himalayan, you need to choose XL size, which will cost around 889. So I got double XL size. The reason being I have panniers and top box as well. So that's the reason I went for double XL size. So XL size costs around 890 rupees and double XL costs around 1049. So one thing you have to say is any size below XL has mirror pockets. Anything above double XL doesn't have mirror pockets. So this is their branding, Raida gears. So you can check out their Insta and Facebook as well. So coming to the product, as I mentioned, it costs around 1049. Month and manufacturing year is 2023. So apart from that, let me open this cover. Inside is just the motorcycle cover. So this is the cover. You get a Raida sticker and a keychain from them. So let me open it fully, and you can see their branding as well, their logo on the company Raida. So this is the cover. We'll just open it. So this is how it will come. Have to turn. See, this is how it is. The branding and the left side also you have the branding. So apart from that, you get a clip as well. I'll just show it to you. So this is the clip system for locking. So this is basically a breathable fabric which they have mentioned, which is waterproof and dust proof as well, and the quality seems to be very good. So let me put it on the bike and show it to you. This is how it will fit. Let me put it on this side as well. The reason I got a double XL size is to make sure even it fits the top box as well. So let me put it completely and show it to you. So this looks very huge. The reason being is since I have top box, right? That's the reason I went for one size bigger one. So if I get panniers as well, this will easily fit. So for normal Himalayan, XL is fine. If you have panniers and top box, you need a bigger cover like this. So you can see it is properly fit. You can see on the other side as well. So front as well, you have little this one extra, but that's fine, not a problem. So since my windscreen also is bigger, this is how it will fit. So in order to lock, you need to use this. So overall, the product quality is superb. So very much recommended, because you get lot of cheap covers as well, which will cost around 350 to 400. So buy a cover which serves the purpose one time, so that it will be there for longer time. So is the final look. So if you have any queries regarding this, please let me know. And thanks for watching my videos. Please do watch my previous videos as well. There is a lot of information content regarding the performance, accessories and other riding things. So that's it for this video, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.